Hello guys, welcome to the video. I know it's been a long time that I didn't make video, so let's talk about my next week pair because I was a little bit busy, so for that reason I didn't make video, but I will definitely make videos in the future. So let's talk about my next week pair, which is the first one is AUD JPY. So if we go to the weekly is currently bearish from this point, but I will consider this as a bullish because we have the nice bullish engulfing candlestick. We are going to the daily is currently bullish because of this structure point. We just broke the structure. We want to come to the downside and go to again to the upside. In the 4-hour is currently bearish, so I'm looking, we already have the break, so I'm looking for the retest and my entry signal. Euro GBP. So this in the weekly time frame we are currently bullish, but again if we look at this price we are under this nice zone. If we go to the weekly, the daily is currently bullish, but here I will look for the break, the retest and the entry signal. In the 4-hour is currently, it's looking so choppy, so it's not like bullish and it's not bearish. So this strategy is not set and forget strategy, but it's like more complex, and I see a lot of success with this new strategy. So I will not, in the weekly I will not look this to this candlestick because from this structure point we are bullish. Yes, we are bullish from this structure point, but we are under this zone, so we can't buy. In the daily is also like this, so there is like not a lot things about like bullish and bearish structure, but definitely it's the structure strategy. And also the 4-hour is currently choppy, so looking for the break, the retest in the entry signal. Here in USD CAD, this is my third pair. The weekly is bearish, so this is so nice bearish engulfing candlestick. We have doji and we have one another candlestick which is which shows that a lot of momentum is to the downside. The daily is also bearish. In the 4-hour it's also bearish. It's lower low, lower high, lower low, and I'm looking for this touch of this EMA and also this area of interest to go to the downside. The 4-1 GBP NZD, the weekly is currently bearish, the daily is bearish also, the daily structure point, and we have this pattern. So I will look in the 4-hour, it's also coming here in this zone, so I will look for the touch of this EMA to go to the downside. This is also nice and so beautiful pair. NZD USD, the weekly is bullish, the daily is currently bullish, in the 4-hour is also bullish, and we are coming to this EMA and also this zone. So whenever the EMA is down we are looking for the buys. Whenever the EMA is up like this it's coming down, so we are looking for the short position. So for this one we are looking for the upside to go to the upside. This one we are currently bullish in this structure in the weekly, but I'm looking for the trade which is we want to go to the downside. This is little bit choppy, this pair, but still I will look a lot for my confirmation, for a lot of confirmation, and then I will take this trade. And also this also have this kind of head and shoulder pattern, so this is also so strong and beautiful pattern. In the 4-hour it's looking so clean, so left shoulder head and this is the right shoulder, and I'm looking for the break in the retest of this zone. So the break, the retest, and here I will look for my entry signal and I will take this trade to the downside. So guys, if you're interested and want to take trades with me live, so go and check out my Telegram channel. Go it's not subscription, it's free Telegram channel. You can go and you can check it out, and I will give you free signal. See you guys in the next video. Bye.